Welcome to my Thrive learning page. Last time we put a text block in there. This time we're going to put an image in there. Hi there, I'm Ed Anguish from Digital Wise Buys, where we provide honest reviews of digital products to help you make informed choices. We also give tips, tricks, help and information to new entrepreneurs, just like yourself, who are looking to start an online business. Now, if this is your first time on the Digital Wise Buys channel, then click the subscribe button and ring the bell to get notifications when we release new videos. And if you're serious about starting a business online and you'd like some good quality, reliable, easy to follow training, then click the link below this video and learn about the training that I put into my business every day. Now click as soon as you watch this video because it's free and you can start straight away today. Now let's have a look at how to put an image onto this page. So if we come on the green button and hit the image, it will put an image box onto the page and take us straight to the media gallery. I'm going to click on this young lady here and insert into post. There she is, already on the page, right bang in the middle. Now we might want it a bit smaller. If we do, well then we can adjust it with these handles around here or with the slider here to make it different size. This just affects the height and the slider. So we can reset it to defaults. If it's not right, that takes it back to where it was, and then we can start again and go back to where we want to be. You can add the caption there if you want or not. You can now edit your caption if it's not right. You can just click out the box and then click in it again and highlight it. And then you can type in your new caption, whatever you want there. So if you click this box, it will open it full size when you go live and you open it up. You can add a link. So moving down to image effects. Now there's quite a few effects you can do. You can turn it in grayscale, turn it into black and white if that's what you wish. You can alter the opacity. You can alter a blur. You can give it a blur. If it depends what you're working with. You may want something over the top and that's a blurred background. You can change its brightness, you can change the contrast, you can make it sepia, you can invert it from black and white into a negative, you can alter the saturation, you can alter the colours. And once you've done all that, and if you don't like it, then you can just reset it to what it was when you brought it in. Layout and position. Alignment, we've got left aligned, we've got center aligned and right aligned here, and you can change the padding as you can with all Thrive. The outside border here represents what's outside of the image, the inside represents what's inside the image. So if you want to bring it down here, you increase that that border and you will bring it down a bit. This is all for adjustment, just to get things how you want it set out on your page. So borders and corners. We can put a frame around the picture. Quite simple, pretty much the same as everything else really. Click on the middle there so that it's all highlighted in blue. You can do each section at a time, each side at a time, but usually you put a border all around the picture and then you just select your size that you want, and of course the colour that you want. You might want a blue one or a red one, or just stick with a black one. It's up to you. It's all selectable there. You can also choose whether you want it a continuous border or a dashed border. And as far as corners, corners are exactly the same. If you click in the middle, it'll apply to all four corners. If you click just on the individual ones, you can get just individual corners, which might be if you've got the top edge attached to something else, another image that's square and straight edges, and you just want curves on the bottom, so I could see that being okay. And then of course you just add increase the pixel size to get the radius that you want, whatever it is that you want. So that's how you put borders on your images. Now, scroll behavior, what this means is that as you scroll the page up, when you publish your page, as you scroll your page up, what happens to the picture? Well, when it's in static, it's static. It stays exactly where it is on the page. When you're in sticky mode, you can have it so that when you scroll up, when it gets to the top or a certain distance from the top, you can set that. The picture will stay on screen, stay there, and everything underneath it will then go behind it and disappear. You can set that distance here. You can have this sort of like 0, that's right at the top, or you can come down 20, some 30, 50, 100 or a long way pixels down, so that it will always stay just where it is. And you can keep that stickiness all the way to the end of the page, or you can keep it just until it comes to the end of this container that it's already in, or it reaches some other element which you can set. So your picture can respond differently to how you scroll your page, when you scroll your page, depending on how you have it set. Then we come to animations. Now there are certain animations that you can put on here. CSS animations. So if you click on this, you would get a drop down of various animations that you can select. It can either slide in from the top or slide up from the bottom, slide in from the left or the right. It can zoom in, zoom out, it can grow, it can shrink, it can fade in, it can rotate, it can roll in. So you can select which one of these you want, and as you click on it, you'll see how it comes in. You get some rotate or roll in. So you can decide what happens when this image comes into view and see how you want it to apply. And a shadow, you can add a shadow around the box like we did earlier on, but this goes around the box. Click on that and adjust the box. You can change its angle, you can see there, or you can change its opacity so it's stronger or darker. You can change its distance, the amount of blur, the standard settings you've got for the drop shadow really on any application. Responsiveness just gives you the option of to say whether you want it to be able to display on a laptop, a tablet or on a mobile. You can, if you think it doesn't show well on a mobile, you can take it off and various versa. And HTML is just the opportunity to put a bit of code in there. So that's basically the functions that you get with the image box settings, within the image settings in Thrive Architect. Next time we'll go and look at adding a button and see how it goes. So until then, I'd like to say this is Ed Anguish from Digital Wise Buys, where we provide honest reviews of digital products to help you make informed choices. We also give tips, tricks, help and information to new entrepreneurs just like yourself who are looking to start an online business. And if this is your first time at the Digital Wise Buys channel, then why not click the subscribe button and ring the bell to get notifications when we release new videos. And if you're serious about starting an online business and you'd like some good quality, reliable, easy to follow training, then click the link just below this video and learn about the training that I put to use in my business every day. Now click it now. You've finished the video, click it now because it's free and you can start immediately as soon as you've registered. Having said that, this is Ed Anguish from Digital Wise by saying thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll speak to you again in the next one soon. Thank you. Bye.